Hello, today we will guide you through how to disconnect GitHub from Lovable AI. To begin, open Lovable and go to the Home dashboard. This is the main starting point where you can access your workspace and account options. If you are not already signed in, make sure you are logged into the correct Lovable account before continuing, since the connection settings are tied to the workspace you are currently using. Once you are on the dashboard, look to the top left area of the screen and click on your profile account. This will open the account menu where you can access personal and workspace-related options. If you do not immediately see the menu items, give the drop-down a moment to appear. From that menu, click on Settings. The Settings area is where Lovable stores configuration options for your workspace, including integrations and deployment-related tools. This is the section you will use to manage any existing GitHub connection. After the Settings page opens, find the left-hand navigation menu. Under the Build and Deploy section, click on Git. This area controls source code connections and repository integrations. If your screen is smaller or the sidebar appears condensed, you may need to scroll slightly to locate the Git option. Next, click on GitHub. This takes you to the page where your GitHub connections are listed. Here, Lovable shows the GitHub accounts or installations that are currently connected to your workspace. On the GitHub page, select the connected account you want to remove. In this example, the account name is not important, so simply choose the listed GitHub connection you intend to disconnect. Be careful to select the correct one if more than one connection appears, especially if your workspace has multiple linked accounts. Once you open that connection, look for the option labeled Delete this connection and click it. This action starts the removal process for the GitHub link between Lovable and that account. Before you proceed, it is helpful to understand that disconnecting the account may affect repository access, syncing, or deployment workflows that rely on that connection. Finally, when the confirmation prompt appears, click the confirmation option to complete the disconnection. This final step tells Lovable that you are sure you want to remove the connection. After that, the GitHub account should no longer be linked to Lovable. It is a good idea to remain on the page for a moment and confirm that the connection has been removed from the list. And that's it. You have successfully disconnected GitHub from Lovable AI.